You went vegan for the health benefits, more energy, clearer skin, and of course, to shed a few pounds. But weeks have passed and the scale, still stuck. Or worse, climbing. So what gives? Let's break down why you're not losing weight on a vegan diet, and what to do about it. First, just because it's vegan doesn't mean it's low-calorie. Nuts, seeds, avocado, oils, they're nutrient-rich but calorie-dense. A handful of almonds? That's 200 calories. That vegan smoothie bowl? Over 500 easy. To lose weight, you need a calorie deficit, not just a plant-based label. Next, let's talk about processed vegan foods. Vegan pizza, vegan cookies, even vegan nuggets. Yes, they're meat-free, but they're still ultra-processed, loaded with refined carbs, sodium, and fat. They spike your blood sugar, then leave you hungry again. Stick to whole foods like beans, lentils, veggies, and grains. Protein is key for staying full and maintaining muscle while losing fat. And many new vegans don't get enough. Without protein, you may feel hungrier and snack more. Plant-based sources like tofu, tempeh, edamame, lentils, and quinoa should be the stars of your meals, not the sides. Aim for 15 to 25 grams of protein per meal. Don't overlook liquid calories. Oat milk lattes, green juices, even healthy smoothies, they add up fast. Same with mindless snacking, even on healthy foods. A few handfuls of trail mix, that's dinner calories right there. Drink more water, snack mindfully, and track those hidden calories. So what can you do instead? Focus on whole foods, veggies, beans, legumes, and grains. Track your calories, even for just a few days to reset. Get enough protein with every meal. Watch your portion sizes, especially with high-fat foods. And move your body. Daily walks or workouts make a difference. You might feel disheartened with the scale refusing to budge, but remember, change takes time. It's about making sustainable choices that benefit your body in the long run. Also, keep in mind that weight is just one measure of health. Embrace the journey towards a more vibrant you, focusing not only on the number, but how you feel. Your resilience as a vegan is already a testament to your strength, so keep pushing forward with pride and patience. While navigating this new lifestyle, consider the importance of mindfulness in your eating habits. Pay attention to how your meals make you feel, both physically and mentally. Enjoy the flavors and textures of whole foods, which not only nourish your body, but also enhance your dining experience. As you cultivate awareness, you might find it easier to recognize hunger cues and satisfaction, helping you establish a healthier relationship with food. While these lifestyle changes can seem daunting at first, remember you're not alone on this journey. Seek out community support, whether online or in person, where you can share experiences and swap recipes. Engaging with fellow vegans can provide you with motivation, fresh ideas, and new perspectives. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, and stay curious about your food choices. Each meal is an opportunity to explore and connect with the plant-based world, bringing you closer to your goals and a healthier lifestyle overall. With time, dedication, and the right strategies, you can navigate the complexities of veganism and thrive. Consider setting specific, achievable goals that go beyond weight loss. Maybe aim for trying one new plant-based recipe each week, or incorporating more diverse vegetables into your diet. Celebrate those small victories because they build momentum and instill confidence in your choices. Also, don't forget to indulge in your favorite vegan treats occasionally. Balance is key to a sustainable lifestyle. Remember, the changes you focus on today lay the groundwork for the healthier habits of tomorrow, guiding you toward your long-term wellness goals. So, keep experimenting, enjoy the process, and let your plant-based journey be an adventure filled with discovery and nourishment. As you embark on this fulfilling path, it's crucial to stay informed and adaptable. Keep exploring the diverse range of vegan options available, and don't hesitate to try new ingredients or cooking methods. This flexibility will not only enhance your culinary skills, but will also make your vegan meals more exciting and satisfying. By fostering a spirit of curiosity and creativity, you can transform your eating habits into a joyful and enriching experience that supports your health and empowers your vegan journey. Remember, each bite is a step towards better health, so savor the adventure. In conclusion, embracing a vegan lifestyle is a journey rich with opportunities for personal growth and health enhancement. So make adjustments as needed to unlock the benefits you seek. Your commitment to well-being is admirable, and with patience and thoughtful decisions, you can rejoice in the progress and vitality that comes with this delicious way of living. Comment, like, and subscribe, and share your journey.